गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। इस वीडियो में हम मेथड्स ऑफ रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिवेंचर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। फॉलोइंग आर द मेथड ऑफ रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिवेंचर: लमसम पेमेंट एट द एंड ऑफ फिक्स्ड ईयर, redemption of debenture by annual drawings, redemption of conversion into share or new debenture, purchase of own debenture in the open market। तो सबसे पहले लमसम पेमेंट एट द एंड ऑफ फिक्स्ड पीरियड। अंडर दिस मेथड द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ डिवेंचर इज टू पे टू द डिवेंचर होल्डर्स इन lump sum at the expiry period for a specified period, that is at the maturity date of the debenture. The company can pay the amount even before the maturity at the debenture deed so provide such redemption be made at the par or at a premium according to the term of issue. Under this method, debentures can be redeemed out of capital or out of profit. Redemption of debenture out of capital. In this case, it is presumed that the company has sufficient fund, that is the cash balance, to redeem the debentures. Since the profit are not utilized to redeem the debentures, so debentures are said to be redeemed out of capital. The source is applied for when the profits are not available to the management want to utilize the some other purpose. When the debentures are redeemed out of capital, the working capital of the company is reduced. The government of India and the SEBI has indirectly placed the strictness on the redemption of debenture out of capital. According to the new guideline, the compulsory for every company to create the debenture redemption reserve equivalent at least the 25% of the amount of debenture issued before the commencement of redemption of work. Now it is possible to redeem debenture purely out of capital. Redemption of debenture out of profit: when an amount equal to the debenture issued, that is the 100% amount of the debentures, transfer from surplus in the statement of profit and loss to the debenture redemption reserve account। इसमें अब 100% जो है आउट ऑफ प्रॉफिट करते हैं और इसको सरप्लस इन द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट से डिवेंचर रिडम्पशन रिजर्व में ट्रांसफर करते हैं। बिफोर द रिडम्पशन ऑफ द डिवेंचर, सच रिडम्पशन इज said to be the out of profit. The effect of such transfer is to reduce the profit available for the dividend. Such the redemption do not have the adverse effect on the financial position of the company. Debenture redemption reserve is shown on the liability side of the balance sheet under the headings reserve and surplus till the debentures are paid off. When the debentures are redeemed, debenture redemption reserve transferred to the general reserve account. Debenture redemption reserve is a part of general reserve is available to the company for issue of debenture of bonus share. SEBI guideline regarding the redemption of debenture. SEBI ने एक guideline जारी की है और उसके अकॉर्डिंग the creation of debenture redemption reserve (DDR) is obligatory only for the non-convertible debenture and non-convertible portion of the partially convertible debenture. A company shall create the DDR equivalent to at least the 25% of amount of debenture issued before stating the redemption of debenture. A company cannot redeem its debenture purely out of capital because 25% of debentures issued must be redeemed out of profit by creating DDR, and the balance of debenture must be redeemed either out of profit or out of capital. According to the rule of 18 section 7 of Companies Rules 2014, share capital and debentures creation of DDR as follow. On types of company: all India financial institution regulated by RBI and banking companies. Public privately placed debenture, no DDR is required. Or the banking financial company NBFCs registered with RBI and other financial institution like LIC, UTI, etc. Publicly issued the debenture, privately placed debenture और 25% और सेकंड वालों के लिए नो DDR. The company listed, unlisted, including the manufacturing and infrastructure company, public as well the privately placed debenture 25%. Thank you.